It was a power statement when Beyonce and Jay Z made headlines by splurging a staggering $200 million on their stunning Malibu mansion. So, what about this house justifies such a jaw-dropping price tag? Well, join us as we tour Jay Z and Beyonce's $200 million masterpiece and their other homes. Jay Z and Beyonce always know how to grab the spotlight. They've achieved it all with chart-topping hits and multi-million-dollar enterprises. When the news broke that the couple had acquired this $200 million property at a significant discount, a reduction from the initial $296 million set the internet on fire. You might be asking yourself, why $200 million? The mansion is not just any celebrity residence, it's the most expensive property ever sold in California. The purchase certainly caught people's attention, even though it was bought by two of the wealthiest stars on the planet. Who else could pull off a deal like that except for Bey and Jay? Now, the move went beyond mere extravagance. It firmly established their status in the history of the elite. Their stunning Malibu mansion sits on 8 acres of prime coastal land, offering breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean. It's one of those properties that doesn't just scream wealth, but whispers power. Now, this is where things get interesting. The mansion isn't just any mansion. It's a stunning example of minimalist design. The home was envisioned by art collector William Bell, a man who knows a thing or two about rare beauty. In 2003, Bell made a bold move by purchasing the land for a whopping $14.5 million, driven by a singular vision: to create an architectural marvel. To turn that dream into a reality, he enlisted the talents of the renowned Japanese architect Tadao Ando, and he used the mastermind behind some of the most eye-catching concrete and glass designs, celebrated for harmonizing minimalist aesthetics with breathtaking landscapes. Ando's design showcases a stunning blend of clean lines and expansive spaces, perfectly reflected in Beyonce and Jay-Z's latest mansion. The incredible L-shaped design stretches over an impressive 40,000 square feet, showcasing expansive concrete hallways, towering glass walls, and mesmerizing ocean views that are captivating at every corner. It's an incredible achievement that took almost 15 years to bring to life, and when you see it, you'll understand why. The level of detail is so incredible that it feels like you're stepping into a work of art. Concrete and glass may not seem inviting at first, but this is where Ando truly reveals his brilliance. The space displays a minimalist vibe and an extraordinary presence that makes it feel expansive. The sleek, airy layout lets sunlight pour into every space, turning those stunning ocean views into the main attraction. Every inch of the property reflects understated luxury. This stunning property has vast lawns that roll down the cliffside, perfectly complemented by an infinity pool that merges effortlessly with the breathtaking Pacific Ocean. Imagine waking up every morning to breathtaking floor-to-ceiling views of the stunning Pacific. That's the place that Jay Z and Beyonce proudly call home. For art lovers, the house is more than just a home. It's basically a museum. William and Maria Bell, the previous owners, turned a wing of the mansion into a private art gallery showcasing their multi-million-dollar contemporary art collection. Think sculptors, painters, and installations that could belong in any major museum. And the best part, whether Jay and Bey kept all the original pieces is still up in the air. But knowing their love for art, as Jay-Z owns a $4 million Basquiat, there's a good chance that those walls are telling some incredible stories. While this Malibu mansion is a masterpiece, let it be known that it's not the first property that the power couple owns. This leads us to the next home, but we gotta switch coasts. Now, when you think of a summer retreat, you probably imagine sandy beaches, fresh ocean air, and beautiful views fit for a postcard. But nothing compares to what Jay Z and Beyonce refer to as their Hampton summer retreat. Forget modest beach houses. This is a $26 million residence known as a pond house, and it's a world-class masterpiece where the Carters can relax in elegance. The house sits attractively in East Hampton, sprawling across 2 lush acres with direct frontage on Georgica Pond, a private sanctuary of sparkling water and natural beauty. However, Pond House's narrative is more than its expensive price and breathtaking views. It's about the charm of a historic property that's been given new life and transformed into a celebrity haven. Built over a century ago by renowned architect Stanford White, the estate has been renovated into a modern dream home while retaining its old-world magic. The entrance, a huge picture-perfect driveway, leads to the front doors of this 12,000-square-foot estate. With 7 bedrooms and 7.5 baths, you might easily forget yourself and never complain. And if their A-list guests want to spend the night, well, there's a second 1,800-square-foot villa nearby. Yes, the guest house alone is certainly larger than most people's homes. But here's the kicker. The Pond House has been on the market for 8 years before Jay and Bey bought it. It took a great visionary like developer Jeffrey Collet to restore the gem's brilliance. And know this, Collet rotated the entire home 90 degrees to get better views of Georgica Pond. Imagine moving a complete mansion as if it were a Lego set. Yes, that's the amount of care that we're talking about here. The interior is no less spectacular. A 30-foot-high living area, complete with floor-to-ceiling windows that let natural light steal the show. I mean, it's almost like having a live painting in your home, where you can see the calm waters of the pond at sunset, sparkling with golden light. Then there's the kitchen, which takes luxury to another level. Italian marble countertops are cut from single pieces of stone, with an 18th century stone fireplace as the centerpiece. Nothing will make cooking feel more fancy than this. But the Carters didn't buy this house only to sit in it. This is a home that focuses on making the most of summer. The outdoor wraparound terrace is ideal for those breezy Hampton evenings, whether hosting a family meal or simply drinking something cold while watching the pond. And let's not forget about the infinity-edged pool, because no getaway is complete without it. Now, while East Hampton is known for its celebrity houses, Pond House stands out as it's located directly across from a 17-acre meadow preserve, meaning no curious neighbors and no paparazzi with long lenses. Just peace and quiet for one of the world's most famous families. Georgica Pond adds to the tranquil atmosphere. It's peaceful, private, and the ideal setting for a home where the Carters can finally breathe. But don't be fooled by all the relaxation. This location is full of amenities to keep everyone entertained. From a private screening room for late-night movie marathons to a playroom for the kids, it's everything you need for a family vacation. When you're ready for something more active, there's an outdoor kitchen for cookouts and lots of space to explore. It's like they have their little piece of paradise right at home. Beyonce could not resist giving fans a sneak peek. She posted some gorgeous images to Instagram shortly after they moved in. There she was, sitting on the deck, gleaming in the golden Hamptons light, the epitome of a great summer getaway. It's no surprise they return year after year. During their visits, you may spot them cruising around on a luxury boat, taking in everything that this private paradise has to offer. If you think that this retreat home is amazing, well, we can assure you that the one that they bought just before this is a work of art. Let's explore further. All right, let's talk about the amazing Bel Air mansion owned by Jay Z and Beyonce. Even after getting their Malibu home, the couple chose to keep this one. After an extensive 3-year search across Los Angeles, the dynamic duo found their ultimate dream estate, sealing the deal on a stunning $88 million property in 2017. An incredible 30,000 square foot gem, displaying luxury at every turn. So what is it that truly sets it apart? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take you inside this stunning property that it could easily belong in the pages of a futuristic fairy tale. 6 stunning buildings spread out over 2 beautiful acres, featuring sleek glass, shiny steel, and immaculate limestone. We're talking about 6 buildings here, not 1. Not 2, but a total of 6. Now, every single one has its own unique role, crafting a personal paradise that only Bey, Jay, and the family can experience. It's like stepping into your own private paradise, where every inch radiates sophistication. This place is massive, featuring a stunning 8 bedrooms and a whopping 11 baths. This space is anything but ordinary. It exudes elegance and flair, and crafted for the ultimate relaxation. The stunning mansion absolutely demands top-notch security, and it delivers in a big way. All the windows and sliding glass walls are completely bulletproof. Now, this not only offers unbeatable protection, but also lets those stunning panoramic views of LA really stand out. Talk about safety without sacrificing style. One of the mansion's standout highlights is the pools. It's hard to believe, but in a mansion of this caliber, one pool, it doesn't cut it. Jay Z and Beyonce have gone all out with a total of 4 stunning pools. 4 stunning swimming pools, each one more chic and fabulous than the previous. One even sits on the roof, which is just as extravagant as it sounds. Imagine yourself relaxing in a stunning rooftop pool, gazing at the sparkling cityscape beneath you as the sun dips behind the hills of Bel Air. It's pretty good for an ordinary Tuesday evening, right? But wait, it gets even crazier from here. What's hiding beneath the pools? Yeah, you heard that right. Bey and Jay spent an additional $750,000 on renovations to create a custom space beneath the water. It's these kinds of details that elevate the mansion from merely luxurious to a truly iconic status. The house is a standout in the neighborhood. There's no doubt about it. Of course, a mansion owned by Jay Z and Beyonce wouldn't be complete without some extraordinary features. This place has everything. A 15-car garage that's big enough to fit Jay's impressive collection of luxury rides? Check. A full basketball court so they can shoot hoops whenever they feel like it? Check. A private spa where they can relax and unwind in total peace? Check. Hold on, there's even more to come. The media room is anything but your typical home theater experience. It's a plush, high-tech space with luxurious furnishings, mood lighting, and a screen big enough to make any movie night unforgettable. Oh, and there's a rumor that the door to the cinema is covered in lizard skin. Whether or not that's true, one thing's for sure, the media room is as glamorous as it gets. This Bel Air mansion stands out for its incredible blend of breathtaking design and everyday practicality. The sculptural staircase is nothing short of a masterpiece. This piece, crafted from exquisite Italian limestone and adorned with luxurious leather, resembles a stunning feature from a high-end design publication. And we absolutely can't overlook the incredible 10,000 square feet of outdoor living space. We're talking about those amazing patios, stunning decks, and perfect sunbathing spots that just flow with the home's design. It's all about that seamless vibe. From family barbecues to lounging by the pool and those unforgettable late-night parties under the stars, outdoor spaces create a unique vibe that's simply unmatched. When Jay Z and Beyonce bought the incredible house, it was already a stunning masterpiece. However, true to their perfectionist nature, they decided to invest an additional $800,000 into renovations to truly make it their own. From the $30,000 backup generator to the secret living area tucked beneath the pools, every enhancement was carefully thought out. Originally listed at a whopping $120 million, this couple managed to score it for an impressive $88 million. They're said to shell out around $1 million annually in property taxes, but honestly, for the king and queen of music, that's chump change. The mansion isn't just large, it's among the biggest and priciest residences in all of LA, making it a true standout in the world of luxury real estate. When it was bought, it stood out as one of the largest real estate transactions the city had ever witnessed. It's understandable why this topic continues to spark conversations even after all this time. Which one of the incredible houses impressed you the most, and what's your favorite feature? Let us know in the comments below. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tour of Jay Z and Beyonce's stunning homes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video for a whole lot more.